Hi, hello everybody, it's Mrs. Ernst here. So here's what I've got for you guys today. Now, Thursday is a very special day because Friday is our virtual play day. So what I'm going to tell you guys for Friday is relax. Do the virtual play day. That is not an academic day for you guys, and I even have included it in this video. I'm gonna post a link and you guys are gonna go through a virtual play day. The only thing I ask is that you guys send me photos. I'd love to see photos of your kids doing the activities. Okay, if any academics, if for instance you want to do some academics that day, iStation math would be good, or play a little catch-up day. But I'd rather them have the virtual play day because we all need that virtual play day. And there's going to be some fun activities. It's not only Shaw, it's all of the schools. The Mesquite ISD, the PE teachers came together and did this whole big thing for the kids. So on Friday, virtual fun day. Now Thursday, I want you to not look at this for a second. This is a little bit scary, but I promise it'll be okay. We have a read aloud with Axel. And I actually love this read aloud because he's trying to help me turn the pages on in the book. It's a really cute book, very simple book, really good book. After that, iStation reading. And there's 4 things in foundational. Now let me talk about what's going on here. Since we do not have the learning on Friday, I kind of did a little bit more on foundational. We have a book that the kids are going to listen to. We have another game they're going to play with me, a video to watch. It's actually a Go Noodle, so that works as a brain break. Okay, you can say, hey, let's do this brain break. And they're already actually doing one of the activities I wanted them to do. So this is could be a little brain break and a little bit movement. The syllable sort, now this is multiple pages. Don't panic when you see all these pages because here's what I'm going to tell you. There's 2 pages that are 2 syllables. Then we have 3 syllables. So you only have to complete 2 of these pages, okay? So you could do this one and this one. You could do this one and this one. You could do this one and this one, whatever you would like. Okay, but I asked for 2. The reason I asked for 2 is it's extra practice. I've noticed that my kids are having a little bit trouble with dividing up syllables, so I want to give them the extra practice. Now these 2 are the easy ones. They're a little bit easier. These 2 are challenges. So if you know you have a child that wants to be pushed, give them this push of the 3 syllable sort, okay? Just because I love to give those children a chance to push themselves. This is not to say you can't, to show them that they can't do this. This is to show them that they can, and they can push themselves and challenge themselves and growing themselves. So, like I said on the paper here, there are 2, I want you to do 2 pages, but you can pick which ones you want, and the last 2 are challenges, okay? So if you know you have a child that likes to do challenges, that will be perfect for them. Now, do you have to do all these one day? No. You could do some of these on Friday, even. If you want to save this for Friday, that's perfectly fine. If you want to save this for the weekend, that's perfectly fine. But I'm just giving you guys the choices here on those on that one thing. But this is the turn-in assignment. This is the one that you guys are going to have to turn in. So make sure that this one for sure gets done and turned into me, okay? We have art, and that's all. Remember, the art is always a choice. You do not have to do it if you do not like it. That's completely up to you. And then I have a read aloud for you guys. I'm actually reading The Giving Tree in this community circle. And I'm going to be talking to you guys, to the kids through the video about kindness. So all you have to do is watch it. Now this video is a little bit longer because The Giving Tree is a little bit longer book. Afterwards, we have a video for science, and then we have a game for science. I am sorry, my dogs and my cats decided to not get along. So We have a game for science for you to play that is not a turn-in, it's just a play game. So really the only turn-in assignment is this one right here. Like I said, you guys enjoy it. This instruction video is for Thursday and Friday, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!